I picked up a new LED light to use for some of my videos, and we're going to go ahead and test it out and see how it is.
What's going on, guys? James here. Today I'm going to do a review on this light panel that I found online recently, and I didn't really know what to expect, but after testing it out a little bit, I'm actually very, very impressed. Absolutely love how versatile this light is. So right now you can see we have everything turned off. All I have is window light right here against my face. Power on the light, and that's at 100% at 5200. Right now I'm shooting on the Canon EOS R6 with the RF 24-105 lens, shooting at f8 at ISO 400. And this is the light panel at 100%. And I can easily step down as much as I want, all the way back down to 0. That's back up to 100%. I can change the color temperature, and you can see right now we're at 3000K, and we can go all the way up to 8000K. So we have really strong yellow, like tungsten, and then we can go all the way up to 8000, which kind of has like a bluish cast to it. Not a huge fan of, so I'm gonna put this back down to around 5200. Yeah, I like how that looks. This is a very versatile light. So right now we have this remote control here that I'm controlling everything with. It has a little spinning dial on it, which is very nice. It reminds me a lot of the dial you can find on the back of like a lot of these Canon cameras, a little thumb wheel. That's pretty much all it is, and you can step down by, you know, increments of 1%, or if you want to go by 25%, they have a step here, a button right here. So that's 0, 25, 50, 75, 100. I lied, now it's 100. The center button of the thumb wheel right here, if you click that and then spin the wheel, that's what's going to adjust your color temperature. So right now we're at 3000, or we can go all the way up to 8000. And if you're okay with that, which I'm not, I'm going to bump that back down to 52. Hit the center button again, you're good to go. And then if it's too bright, go ahead and use that same thumb wheel to lower the amount of light, or bring it all the way back up to 100. Of course, you have channel selection, your power button, and it's kind of nice that when you turn it off, when you turn it back on, it kind of fades on, but not so slow that it's like you just saw it there. It's nice, it's subtle, so you're not being blinded with light right away. So right now I have this hooked up with the included power adapter. Ignore the mess down there, but it's plugged in, which is nice. You never have to worry about running out of battery, but if you do want to run it off of battery, you do have that option. And here's what the back of the panel looks like. As you can see, there's 2 slots on either side for the battery. You have your power switch right here. If you move it to the left, that's going to be your power from the adapter. If you turn the toggle switch to the right, you're going to run off the battery. And then you have your dial wheel back here, very similar to the thumb wheel on the remote, and then the center button there to adjust the color temperature. I have a nice LCD right here, and you're looking at a lot of the same selections that you get with the remote control on the back of the panel. So all in all, I am very impressed with this light. I plan on using this a lot, especially with it being so simple to set up and leave right here on my desk. It literally takes up 0 space, so it's nice. I don't have to worry about setting up light stands and soft boxes and heavy lights and trying to run power to those lights. This is just so convenient. And like I said, like even if I didn't want to run anything off this power adapter that comes with it, I can literally run this off a couple of Sony batteries that I have laying around. It's going to be very versatile. Like I said, it's going to be very easy to use for especially simple things like this when I have a small desk set up. But if I do want to take it on location to shoots, it's nice to have that option. I can just pop it right on a light stand, control the literally every aspect of it with this remote control. and it's nice because it's going to take up no space at all. I mean, it's pretty much the size of a iPad Pro, say maybe a little bit bigger, but it's super thin. It weighs nothing, and I think it's going to be a great option for any videographers. It's going to be great for YouTubers, anyone that wants to do like makeup tutorials and they need some nice lighting. Like I said, this is nice because you can control everything with the remote, and you don't have to worry about setting up softboxes, being, so far away from the light. It's just kind of a pain when you have to set up a ton of stuff for lighting situations. And when you have something as simple as this, I'm looking a little blown out there just because the sun just came out and I'm like right by the window. But all in all, I love this light. I think it's great, and I can't wait to use it on some of my shoots. But for the time being, I think it's just going to live here on my desk. Like I said, it's clamped to the desk right now. Takes up no space at all. So, highly recommend this. I'm going to be putting a link to it right here. Hopefully I did that in post. And I will also have a link directly to the light in the description. So, if you're looking for a light, I think this is only $119 right now, which is a steal. Like, you're getting a really high quality light. I haven't noticed any flickering issues. It's nice to have, warm white or cool white options. And I think you're getting a lot of light for your money. It's a really high quality light. It weighs nothing, and it's super versatile. So if you're looking for one, links down below. Thanks.